Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with GraCee Designs, and this is Mornings with GraCee. So today's video is going to be more about granny squares. Today I want to show you how to join your colors. And as you see here, I've already joined a couple of squares. The method I use to change colors is very simple. I like to start where I finished. I just like to keep the tails on the same side. And first thing we're going to do is make a slip knot with the new color. We're going to take our crochet hook and we're going to put it in the hole from the row before, and then put the slip knot on the hook and bring that through the hole, and we're just going to make 3 chains, and then we could just continue our square. I'll show you one more time. Make a slip knot, then put the crochet hook through the hole from the last row, tighten up your slip knot on the hook, bring the hook with the slip knot through the hole, and then chain 3. It's very simple. And now we just continue making our square. On the sides we do 3 double crochet and a slip stitch, and on the corners, of course, we do the 6 double crochet with a slip stitch between every 3. And I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Please remember to subscribe to my channel to see more of these easy tips for crochet, or if you want to learn something new, I have other videos that you can watch, sewing and embroidery. And thanks for watching today. I also have a video on how to make the granny square. Check that out. Finishing up this square, I crocheted 2 rows of the second color. And I will also have a video on how to connect the squares together. And here we go. We're finished with the square. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share GraCee Designs. And join me next time on Mornings with GraCee.